Okay, got the framing in, drywall in, windows, compound tape all around the drywall, some lighting in. It's going down. My new doors for to put in down there. New door right here for to put in right here. Laundry room side, got it going. Got the drywall in. New door I'm gonna put in this other room. Framing, drywall in, lighting in, need a bulb right there, but it's all good. Put a new light back here, fixture. I'm gonna take this out, put glass window in there, put a new fixture back there, switch, new framed it in. All this framed in, drywall in, switch on the wall, once I sand it down good. Yep, working good. Same thing going this way, same switch. On a different switch. Plumbing in, got the sink ready to go in, wash and dry setup. Gonna do a little compound bucket. My old room, nephew room now. Lighting in, drywall in. As you can see, I put the dimmer switch on the lights. Need a bulb, I think something down there. But this how it starts off. Getting it ready for doors and paint coming soon. And yep, it's me handling my business on the side today. Got this wall going. I just gotta finish compound taping. This whole side over here gotta be revamped, but I'm gonna take a before picture. Do a lot of painting on some of these vents, not the ceiling, but the vents. Yeah, get rid of all this extra junk, man. Gotta get rid of junk. Can't just keep it. But that's it. It's gonna start right there. Yep, closet. About to go down. That's this before the door.